They tried to ding-dong ditch their neighbor. They left a note on the tip asking for the pizza delivery guy to do a dance.
Hey, how you doing today?
His upstairs neighbors were partying last night, and he decided to complain about it.
Hey, you guys were doing something last night, right?
Yeah.
I was just gonna say, you guys got last night, and normally I wouldn't make it a problem, but next time invite your fucking neighbor, dude. I want a party too.
These people left special instructions for their delivery driver to shout when dinner arrives.
Dinner!
She didn't read the label explaining that the package was fragile.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
He was trying to load his snowmobile onto his truck. This delivery driver was caught slamming down food that someone ordered. This new neighbor walked over to introduce himself.
Oh, this is no
And you threw flakes in it.
Mommy,
You put
this
the
is
stuff
no
down and then
corn.
you throw this. Sorry. Sorry.
Is this the fastest ding-dong ditch of all time? This delivery guy was trying to drop off this balloon and birthday card. Something weird was sitting on their doorbell camera.
Sorry, we're not interested.
What? Delivery. Okay, guys, about to give you the hardest decision of your young lives.
Okay.
Are you gonna take the candy or are you gonna take the potato? You could have-
Potato.
All right.
I'll take
Okay.
the potato.
Wow.
She decided to ding-dong ditch her neighbors while on a hoverboard. She didn't realize that there was a spider web outside of her door. She couldn't control her dogs that wanted to chase the skunk. This cat was letting his owner know that he wanted to come inside. This delivery guy doesn't care that this truck is on fire.
Thank you. Matt! Matt, your truck's on fire!
He was trying to ding-dong ditch his house, but was immediately caught in the act.
Ma'am, did you just move here? Yeah. There's a lot of kids playing around here. Okay. Have a nice day.
Come back in the house.
This dad spoke to his daughter through the doorbell camera.
Welcome home, Ella.
Yes, Hot.
Oh! What the hell? My God! I gotta sit down.
She was trying to go for a walk when her dog spotted something. I had no idea it was possible to fall like this. These kids are trying to sneak out of the house without setting off the camera.
No, that camera's gonna go off now, you idiot! You're standing right in front of it!
Come on. Holy no! Holy! Oh my God! No! No!
This poor dog was scared of a frog.
Jesus, there's an iguana in the front yard!
I think his little brother might be a ninja. So this is pretty scary. This is why it's so important to watch for your kids.
Mommy! They're following me! Mommy!
This mantis rang the doorbell, and the homeowner was super confused when he didn't see anyone at the door. They found this crazy bug hanging out on their front door.
Get out of there. Get out of there.
People inside this house were watching a scary movie and totally forgot that they ordered some food delivery. This is a pretty crazy chain of events. A bunch of ants got together and tried to steal this package. This nosy neighbor needs to mind his own business.
Oh, you cheating on your husband?
This is my son.
Oh.
The good news is that he wasn't hurt. This goat decided to deliver their package. This postman went to the wrong address and he told him to go to the house across the street.
Yeah, the one with the yeah, number 77, please, mate, to the right. This one. Yeah, mate, please.
Her dog was refusing to come inside, so she realized that if she pretends that she's dead, her dog will come over. You can see the moment this dog feels dumb after accidentally ringing the doorbell.
Oh, are you okay? I didn't see that.
No one is here. No one. See? Look. No one. Stop barking.
This delivery driver couldn't resist the temptation.
Oh, no, don't roll on. Don't roll on. Oh, what are you doing? Hi. Hello.
Sometimes it's a good idea to put the phone down. This lizard decided to ring this doorbell.
Mason, what'd you just do?
Here's a great way to ruin a Christmas present surprise.
Close your eyes, 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 close your eyes. Oh, what the Close your eyes, get inside, that is not for you. You did not see that. You did not see that.
Poor little guy got scared of the talking robot.
Camera recording.
He was so proud of himself for chasing away these geese.
Oh my God.
This delivery guy loved their car so much that he asked for a picture with it.
Take the helmet off, yeah. Ready?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Is that alright?
I have never seen someone struggle so much with ice.